Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add a Google Meet link to every Google Calendar event. So the first thing that you will have to do from your Google Meet, you will just have to click Google Apps, which is right here, and then you will just have to click Calendar and just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is you will click settings, which is right here, and just wait for it to load again. And once you're here, you will just have to look for event settings. And now what you will do is you will find um, add video conferencing. So it should be right here if it is available for you. So yeah. So after you see that option, which is again video conferencing or something similar to that, you will just have to select Google Meet by default. Then what you will do next is you will just have to select to click save, and every new calendar event will automatically include a Google Meet link. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.